How to rearrange order on Instagram posts after posting. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can rearrange the orders pictures on the post in Instagram. So to quickly do this, just open your Instagram and let's say this is the orders of my post, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say I want to bring, let's say, this picture in the end. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three buttons, click on edit, and as you can see, it gives you a trash can icon. So let's say I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to click on this, click on done. Okay, now once this is done, what are you going to need to do from here? You're going to go here, click on these three buttons. You're going to go on your activity. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to go on recently deleted. You're going to click on the photo that you just deleted, click on restore. Okay, make sure to restore it properly. And once you have restored this photo, let me show you. You're going to go on view on profile, go on this, and look at that. It goes out till the end. So just like this, one by one, rearrange the order of the photos. And once you get the correct order, yeah, basically from there on out, you're going to be good to go. So that's how you're going to rearrange your order. If you found this helpful, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.